ngathatha yonke le allowance mina sashona eJozi sayo record that ema associations ngiwo lesithi bamva bahlangane because if you are united you are lokulida ukuthi sigcine sesingaboni ngasolinye nema artists ma managers and artists ngulokuthi artist njengoba ngisho yona iphethwe lidlodi.
Nyalo ngihleti ke lapha ke ngihleti naye ke ngasho ukuthi amanye emagama nguye lobuka yena ke arts and culture pheceleti all round yena ke chairman babe Kennedy Thabetse. Sicela ukumukela ku podcast lethi Arts Indaba lapha khona sikhulumisa khona tindzaba tema arts lapha eSwatini.
Yeah, siyabonga mabosi.
Maybe nje abanye batibuta bathi hawu kuna chairman ka arts and culture watini ngema arts ne culture asusenja ncane kabantu nje umlando wakho kancane nje.
Okay. Siyabonga Mshengu ligama ngiKenneth Thabetse njengoba ushilo. La ngale majayeni ngunzebe ngwenyama. I-art ngidawukhuluma ngayo ngoba into lengiyadiko lengicale kadzeni. We happy today ukuthi sitovula studio. Sine sathi ukuthi besathi studio ukuthi siseJozi.
Yes.
So nasicala tsine umculo igroup yethu beyibitwa ngePeace 2.
Inyoni yandiza phenze buye.
That was us. We recorded that eJozi. Sirecordwa belungu bangasiva neSiswati but we were the first kwaito group in the country. And labanye bayatibuta ukuthi how did you push kuze ne record? I was a student at university. Ngecasted with asithwane allowance. Ngathatha yonke le allowance mina sashona eJozi sayo record. That's how passionate I was in music. Would say despite the odds, we'll try and make it happen.
Okay.
Yeah, so that's where we are. Ngihambile ke sa assista labanengi bamfana into the music space. Labanye bangathi nga Mr Kenneth Nyalo because I was I'm managing Pobzin. Pobzin lo wathuma kakhulu
umnyango
umnyango
yes.
Yeah, so size sifika la ukuthi indvuna isithumelo ukuthi sebendile basibona. I think I guess he assisted the whole country, hence today is not a development studio. Let's see, instead of going to Johannesburg, isiyofuna studio. Let's have a professional studio. Siyata khona ma studios my kitchen studios ke sina la music.
Bedroom.
Yeah, my bedroom studios or whatever. But Nyalo sine studio very professional. Asikhulise bamva bethu. And I believe good see ema music houses as ma record labels. But awukhona identifier possible talent labangali federation lingene ku commercial sector. And make a living out of it.
Okay, so ngifuna ukubuyisela emva kahle ngifuna kwathi kabantu ngalama art programs lesinawo ka arts and culture sibukete kakhulu la centered around the art center. Uthinza indzaba ukuthi kwaba ne group ekuthiwa iPeace 2. What benefits does the new generation, which is I believe is the 2K kids that they have against the policies and the nalama programs ka arts and culture la kona Nyalo?
Okay, ngithi bamva bethu Nyalo they are very lucky. Kwekuthi lama resources that were very scarce at Katstet, now we've made them ready available for use.
Yes.
Nyalo my programs arts and culture, I believe lokuthi the mandate is to identify and develop art. So last corner sithi itolo. It was not easy kwekuthi umncane ungathola umuntu otafika kunecharishe itolo besathi ukuthi bas exploiter the people who were identifying talent such that bekunale bad narrative ngemusic especially kwekuthi hayi ma record labels ayakhuthuzana ayaka-exploiter and all sort kanzi ufika uraw ungadilutho. They have to take you through bakufundzise music how to commercialize this wena utange ngifanise nemvulo nelidlodi Mshengu umvulo nelidlodi angakhoni ukuthi angasebenza njani ngalendlela anayo.
Ngingakuhlabe nje lwimi ngidawubekisa itolo sike seva indzaba le thing lethu mayaphuma semaphepheni indzaba ukuthi kwathi nje sakaphosa wina record South Africa kumasama kwase kucabana bo manager nifethe kanjalo so ke ni cancel nibuya ukuthi lo ne mitigate kanjani kusasa ukuthi kungendeke is it part of your programs nalo kona
we pushing for that sisafuna lokuthi iart ingene ku syllabus etikolweni because lokulida ukuthi sigcine sesingaboni ngasolinye nema artists ma managers and artists ngulokuthi artist njengoba ngisho yona iphethwe idlodi iphethwe idlodi yathi nje kuhlabela so nase ihlabela kuba nalama influences ngaphandle kanzi you need to be nurtured, you need to be groomed so that utokhona kwenda lo msebenzi wakho
the business side of it
yes kanzi ama artist akayibuki the business side of things ubuka nje yena image yakhe mnengela artist bathi mina labantu and then you forget about the behind the scenes there is a whole lot of team
but vele bathi mina ngimlo hlabela kona ngimlo khula
that's true that's how we are
but that's how it is even nasekwakheni idili kuba namesenalana kuba no bricklayer and stuff
exactly
and le mali maybe proportioned according to lenvolete no I think I fully concur with you on that okay ke sesirepapa kanyana ke sengifuna kuva ukuthi what really kunemuntu lapha ekhaya lobukelako njengamanje uthi wendando atseni kahle ama programs akhe atsini kahle and moving forward nyalo kunena studio lapha sibekile lana mina ngiyasuka nje inkomeni ngihambe ngiyo recorda lapha kuhamba kanjani ngenda ini
okay I believe it's time ukuthi bantu bangade deprive information
yes
bamlabanengi bayibuke ngalenye indlela i-development
yes
namuhla nje kunama artists latawuthi kusasa ngifuna kuto recorda mina kanzi yonke indzawo inemithetho yakhona ithikele nkulumo thina sing art and culture we work with associations associations ngiwo lesithi bamva bahlangane because if you are united you are able to achieve goal end than a individual so firstly register an association be a member sinema art centers in Evenlong enhlangano ikhona Spiki Elbonjeni Manzini so we have art centers lesithi mawuwase Elbonjeni hamba art center Elbonjeni and register and present your case what you kusiwo kunamabuza la Elbonjeni udlala makhoyana and then kune association lataw affiliate kiyo so that atokhona kusetakala although individuals are being assisted but we advise and promote to be part of the association because manenge ema goal la khona lapho kanti usinawe lokucabangako already kuyakhulunyiswa ku association so ufike ungene in a flowing system
no ayiphelele igcina lapho cha ngabe ngifuna kuona ngifuna ngeta lokunye sithembe ukuthi ke itawuhamba kahle art studio jobe namhla ivulwa lana sibonga kakhulu kuba nawe babethabetha
siyabonga mshini
next time nabuya lana sifuna ingoma le sesiniwe nguye phela umnyango sathini wakathini ngesokhona
tikhona ingoma tikhona titawuphuma masinyane
cha kubonga tsena
siyabonga mshini siyabonga